About 10, 12 years ago, we started establishing partnerships with the local universities. One of the first partnerships we did was with Wharton. What that partnership enabled us to do was to do research jointly with another entity.
Independence has always invested in an in-house research team. And so they speak the language of research, but they also understand the needs of a large insurance company that has to survive and thrive within a large healthcare ecosystem. Real advantage of coming together is that you have a team that sits on enormous amount of data with a lot of research expertise, and then they come together with academics that are very close to the new cutting-edge methodologies. And so it's really a marriage of different relative strengths.
I think it also becomes a moral obligation for an entity like us to be able to use that data for the betterment of society.
We were able to collaborate with our internal research and evaluation, our health outcomes research team, and researchers at Wharton to evaluate the impact of having a care management program that's driven by predictive analytics. And what we found was that the nurse intervention was very effective at keeping people out of the hospital and the ER and lowering medical costs. That's a great way in which big data, machine learning, artificial intelligence gets deployed, but also evaluated, because we want to find out what's working.
We came together and the work was very successful and very collaborative, and it really spurred 10 extremely successful years of joint work.
So we went on that journey with an institution like Wharton. We further added, institutions like Jefferson. We now have a partnership with CHOP, and we also have a partnership with MIT.
Those experiences and those projects are really industry leading, and it's really exciting to have the opportunity to work with those folks.
Independent Blue Cross here in Philadelphia in particular has led the way. They've been partnering with academics all over the country. They have to be brave to do this. In harnessing the power that exists in academia to really be a leader in pushing knowledge and being a thought leader in the field.